Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips 5-piece pops container. These containers are clear hard plastic. They have covers that seal with a button on top. You press down the button to seal it and you press it again to unseal it. The cover has seals on the side and it seals pretty well. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll put the cover back on and I want to lift the cover up and you see it doesn't pop right off. It has a very good seal to keep your food fresh. So these are very good to keep your food away from vermin and rodents that will come and try and eat your food because they can't even smell it. I hope this review helped.